Glory be to God, we have made it to a new month. So we are now in the month of June. And today, the first day of June, marks a lot of things for different persons. For me, it marks the beginning of renewal. I am born on June 4th, so the 4th of June will be my birthday. That means that it will be the ending of one year for me and me actually starting another year. So, yes, June is also another chapter of my life. So today I'm saying to everyone, congratulations on making it to the month of June, as I'm saying congratulations to myself. So we are all different in different ways, we're all in different walks of life, but we all have our different challenges. For me, throughout the month of June, I will be reflecting on myself, my actions, and the way that I should be doing things. So sometimes in life, we have decided to take a path that is not meant for us. We have taken an incorrect path, meaning we have made some decisions that are not right. But at the same time, yeah, it might be seem to be late, but yeah, we can still divert from that path. Meaning we can step off that path. Yeah, it's at a crossroad, we can take another path, we can take another road. So sometimes we just need to step out into the middle of the road and look at the different roads that are there and decide on which path is best for us. So it is always good to follow our instincts. In my experience, whenever time I don't follow my instincts, I normally end up in trouble. So I normally end up making the wrong decisions. So today I'm saying to somebody, follow your instincts. Give in to that person feeling that has been there, that that thing that has been laid on your heart. Yes, give in to that, focus on that, because sometimes we ignore all of these things that are pressing on us, and we make some decisions that they are not correct decisions. And as they say, how you spread your bed, you need to lay in it. So sometimes because of the decisions that we make, we end up in some situations that are frustrating. But for me though, I'm not one that will stay into a bed because yes, that was the bed that I made. I have made a bed, so yes, I can remake the bed. So I can go again and I can pull up that bed and remake the bed, do a different spreading of the bed. So that is how I see life. So there's no, for me, there's no hard and fast rule that's saying, okay, yes, I have started on this path, so I have to end on that path. No, that's not it for me. So again, for me, this month is a month of renewal. For me, this is a month of blessings. The month has started off with showers of blessings. And yes, I am welcoming all the blessings for this month. And I'm looking forward to miracles. I'm looking forward to great things happening. So, as I say, let's go throughout the month. Let's show love to each other. Let's love ourselves. Because sometimes we try to accommodate somebody else, meaning we end up putting ourselves in the back, trying to look out for someone else. But the thing is, how is that affecting us? Is it making us better? Is the person really going on the right path? Is the path that the person on, is it correct for the both of us? Or is it just a path that is for the person and you're still there trying to accommodate that person? So for me, this month is a month that I am taking charge. I'm taking control of things that I have just left. Because the saying is that once you stand for nothing, then you will settle for everything or anything. So I have learned from that, because I realize that sometimes when you try to bend your values, you try to give and take with someone, you try to, be understanding, empathetic towards someone else, you end up being the one that is left behind. So for me, right now, right here, as I say, I'm looking forward to my birthday. And this year, it doesn't matter what the situation will be, I am going to celebrate my birthday like I never did before. Because this birthday, it symbolizes a new year for me. It symbolizes renewal for me. So I am going to embrace my birthday just the right way, the way that I should have always been embracing this day. So, as I have said before, the month of June symbolizes different things for different people. So, what does the month of June mean to you? What will you be doing differently this month? Let me know in the comments.